Alright, let's continue with the final part of relation to functions. I'm writing down 2 part 6, alright? 2 sample examples. This is question that talk about the composite functions, some questions. F of x equal to 2x, f of gx equal to 4x minus 12, and h of fx is 2x plus 1 over 2. We want to find what is gx and what is h of x. You will notice that if I plug in here is f of g of x equal to 4x minus 12, and you notice that 2x, f of x is 2x. So now, because this part was x before, it's replaced by g of x. So I can write down 2 g of x still equal to 4x minus 12. Does it make sense? You can see that. Replace this by that. So x, take the x out like this. Take the x out from g of x and put this become g of x. So that's how I get this one, 2g of x. And this is equal to this, so this equal to this. Alright? Let's put back the x there. So this equal to this, so g of x equal to divided by 2 and divided by 2, so it's 2x minus 6. An answer. So it's quite straightforward, right? Now, let's say the next one, h of x. Now I have to find h of x. So I know that h of f of x equal to 2x plus 1. My f of x equal to 2x. So h of 2x equal to 2x plus 1 over 2. So it's very clear that h of 2x equal to 2x plus 1. So this one is my 2x. So if I change it, become x. So my h of x just equal to x plus 1 over 2. Okay? So it's just very straightforward understanding inside, not that tough. Look at it. How we start? Plug in first. Suppose I have to replace the number. How we start? Plug in and compare. Now, pause the video for a minute and try that question, second question by yourself. Right? Okay, we'll come back. Now, I bet you already finished. Let's continue with question number 2. So f of gx equal to this. So you do the same thing. F of g of x equal to x squared plus 6x plus 7. Now you notice that if you take this x away, replace it by gx. So take this away, replace by gx. So you have g of x squared minus 2 equal to x squared plus 6x plus 7. So move it aside, move the 2 on the other side. We've got x squared plus 6x plus 9, which is equal to x plus 3 squared, if you notice that. So square root both sides, so g of x is supposed to be positive or negative x plus 3. Okay, either one is correct. So now you have to decide, is it positive or negative? If the question didn't say anything, so it's positive or negative x plus 3. Second one, h of f of x equal to 2x squared minus 7. So f of x is x squared minus 2, so it's h x squared minus 2 equal to 2x squared minus 7. So my job is trying to get x squared minus 2 inside. So what I can do here is 2x squared minus 2. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. So I have to plus 4 here to make sure I have 2x squared. 2x squared minus 4 plus 4 equal to 2x squared, and then minus 7 at the end. So you have 2x squared minus 2 minus 3. Now I can change this whole thing become x. So this means h of x equal to 2x plus 3. Final answer. Right? So of course you get to get practice to see these two are different parts. One is from the inside and one is front. So you have to the inside you just substitute. The front You just arrange them. Right? So you have to be careful on how they do it. Then you cover this question again, redo it one more time. Alright? Now, we want to continue with one more examples. Let's do one more. Let me look at it. Okay. Let's try something. Let's make up something. Make example 3. Given f of x equal to 2x squared minus 3 and f gx equal to x squared plus 3x minus 1 and hf of x equal to 3, let's say x squared minus 5. Okay? Find gx and h of x. You can pause the video for a minute, try it first, and then we continue. Alright, welcome back. I was erasing the code for you to do for the solution for that. Okay. Ability to explain sometimes is okay, but let's see how we do this question. Let's start from the first one. F of g of x is equal to x squared plus 3x minus 1. The number might not be nice, maybe ugly, because I haven't tried it. So we'll see what's going on. So, since the x is replaced by g of x, so this becomes 2g of x squared minus 3 equal to x squared plus 3x minus 1. So you notice that 2g of x squared equal to x squared plus 3x plus 2. So divided by 2, g of x, here 2 and square root, so it's equal to x squared plus 3x plus 2 over 2 and then square root the whole thing. Plus and minus. Yeah, looks very ugly. So this is the final answer. Right, so g of x. Okay, and the next one, h of, let's continue here. H of f of x equal to x squared minus 5. So f of x is this number, so plug it in. So the point is I don't have 2 here, so I have to figure out how to make a 2 there. So 2x squared minus 3. So what I need to do is make something up. So I have to 2x squared minus 3 on the side, and then put a half there. Because half times 2x squared becomes x squared. So you have to put this in there first, and then you want to cancel 2x squared, 2, you have to put a half. So you notice that here I have half negative 3. So negative 3 over 2, so you have to plus 3 over 2 to make sure this cancels out. So this becomes that. So what you do is that put in here and then make sure the front, the coefficient are the same. So it's 2x squared, put half there. So you take makes that one. So it makes sense. Now this part is extra, negative 3 over 2 plus 3 over 2 cancel. And then you put a minus 5 at the end. So then you have half 2x squared minus 3. And then it's minus, this is actually 10 over minus 7 over 2. Right? So you get h of x equal to half x minus 7 over 2. Or you can write down half x minus 7. That's my final answer. In this case. Right? So it can be ugly, it can be nice. It depends. So this is two skills you need to acquire, right? To make sure you understand how to do it. So practice a bit on this question. You can make up some numbers up to you. So you can, let's say you make up h of f of x, g of x, and h of x, get the answer, and do the reverse. See if you can get the answer. Right? Not necessarily you have to base on book, you can make up the kind of question by yourself. You know the solution, but you try it backwards, see if it's working. Okay? Good luck guys. See you.